name is Samantha, and we are back with another vlog. Y'all, okay, disclaimer. I got my face covered up because I am breaking out like crazy and I look literally all over the place. So, the less I can show, the better, if you know what I'm saying. I am headed to the hair store because I want to get a ponytail. My hair has not been done, as you can see what I got going on. I am headed to the hair store. I want to get like a ponytail or something. Y'all, I've been looking a mess these past few days and I am very much so over it. So I'm gonna go buy a ponytail, a little quick simple one that, you know, we'll do what it's gotta do. Just came from class. I just had to do a reassessment on my patient, so that didn't take long. I was supposed to do an adjustment for them today, but we're rescheduling it for tomorrow. Tomorrow might be a little bit more all over the place because we have to go to the student clinic or the outpatient clinic to, I guess, get information on the student clinic or whatever the case is. I don't really remember what they said, but tomorrow might end up being a long day. I also, after I left class, I went to Batteries Plus. I wanted to get this phone screen fixed. Yeah, went over there. So I think in an hour I gotta go back and pick it up. So in that hour time frame, I should have worked out and washed my hair. At least my hair can be deep conditioning by that time. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this hair and hurry up and get home so that I could kind of have everything somewhat planned out for the day. My classmates coming over around 5-6 o'clock because they're gonna help us practice, so I'm gonna let y'all see like a little snippet of that. Yeah, so I'm trying to get everything I can done before they show up. Like probably won't have my hair done. Probably by the time they come, I'll probably be deep conditioning my hair, most likely. Y'all, I thought about it. And I ain't getting no sleep last night, so if I'm gonna actually stay up and do all this junk that I'm saying I'm gonna do, I need to get some coffee, and I don't feel like making coffee from home. I need like in this special shot ASAP. So I'm about to head to Dunkin' and get something. I'm trying to remind myself not to get no donuts. I only am gonna get something to eat. Golly, no, am I behind? I'm about to do the wrong thing. Whatever. I'm not gonna get no donuts though. No donuts. I'm not gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. So I don't know if y'all see, but I've been breaking out right here for some whatever reason. My skin was doing so well, but it just started breaking out all of a sudden, and it's not giving what it was supposed to give. The products I was using was not giving. So now I'm stuck with all this. So I think I told y'all I plan on getting a chemical peel one of these days. I'm just doing research on who I should probably go to because I want to talk to somebody who's educated in hyperpigmentation and can really help me out and not just bleach me.
Let's see, come on. Oh, shit. Yeah, you have to.
That thing got loose though. It's not the same.
It's loose on you, probably.
It's not loose on me, but it's just looser. I still be dying with it on.
Shall please?
I really do.
Ooh.
Oh golly. Yeah, that joint not to beat.
You got two.
Oh, Reggie, you tired too?
I'm tired.
This fake studying. Alright. Ready?
So, Just start from the beginning, and then we'll go to
No, let's just do the lower body because
okay.
We keep going over the same ones I know already.
So lumbar is Reagan. Sit at the end of the table. I mean thoracics.
Oh, shit.
Anterior dorsal.
Okay.
So you palpate for. Oh, actually, it's different. So,
oh my God,
no, instead of what if you don't tuck your head for this. So you're hugging her, like you're hugging her like this, and then you're gonna drop.
Yeah, I'm trying to lift your ass up. Okay, cross arms. Okay.
Tuck your chin, keep your chin.
And then I just
yeah.
Okay. Dang, I can my titty.
Right. You on me.
Hey y'all. Okay, so today is the next day. Today is Friday. I think y'all just saw in the last clip, me and my classmates, we were studying, and right after we studied, I was supposed to go to work, showed up at work, didn't have to be at work. It was just really all over the place. So I spent the rest of the night and part of this morning studying for my practical, and did that this morning. Now I'm on campus because I am at clinic, and I think they're about to show us what's supposed to go on in outpatient now, because right now I'm in student clinic. Next quarter I'm going to be an outpatient, so I think they're going to just kind of tell us what is expected. Came a little bit early because there was like a bad storm the other day, and where the outpatient is, I remember people were telling me that the parking lot is packed. So I have to walk all the way over there. So, yeah, I was like, let me just try to hurry up and get here a little bit early so I can start walking like in the next 5 to 10 minutes. All right, y'all. So, I'm out of class now. And, back home, I didn't really do anything. I think I just changed my skirt to something else. Yeah, that's all I really did. I just changed my skirt, and I am waiting for Tony to come pick me up so we could go eat. I looked up the name of the place. It's called Cafe Bourbon Street. So it's like a food truck, and I already know exactly what I'm gonna get. Some shrimp with some Cajun fries, maybe some beignets. Never had that junk before, so hopefully it's really good. Hopefully it tastes like what it tastes like in Louisiana. So, yep. All I have on today is this Black women Matter shirt. Why it took me so long? I had to figure out what that just said. Black Women Matter shirts. And then I just have my skirt on. I just tied it up in the front. And I am debating on if I should wear my sandals or those white Steve Maddens. Y'all, when I tell you them things look grimy and old, that's why I'm just like, probably shouldn't wear them. I don't have no black sneakers or like black simple shoes to wear other than my little flats, and I ain't trying to wear those. Like, yeah. So I'm debating. I might wear these little sandals, maybe, probably not. I think I'm just wear the sneakers. I think the sneakers will fit best. So I'm just about to lay down and wait for Tony to show up. Wait, what? I shouldn't have ate all them snacks first.
How long it was gonna take? How long did you think it was gonna take?
I shouldn't have made all this. I'm full now.
It don't make no fucking sense.
Yeah, logically it don't make no sense.
No, you know, he's exactly not really. No.
I mean, but it happened already. Like, what I'm supposed to do?
Over there in between. Oh my god. I think I got it already. I thought I didn't.
I didn't even know what you was talking about, to be honest. What? You want your water?
Oh yeah.
We chilling here too and eating here?
Yeah, unless you want to go out there.
Nah. Oh, this is where we studying too? So what? Oh, you trying to go to the Beltline still? So we just getting the food. First of all, I don't know why you let me off right there. So let me off right here. Locked everything. What you said? You wanted me to come too when you were talking about it?
I don't know why I was thinking like.
I save my seat. I'll be the seat holder. I'll see you in a second.
Man, I don't know if I like you that much. I'll be back.
Why? Just break off like this. Like, what? You think it could grow back? It don't even have. Oh, there goes the sound right there. Wow, that's ghetto. Kroger, do better, please. That is Kroger fault. They're giving it to me like that. Don't act like that. Don't make it seem like don't make it seem like I just did that on purpose. Let me see. Your thing might just fall out by itself the way you talking mess. Dang. Whatever. Today is Monday. It is about 6 p.m. and I'm about to do my at-home workout real quick. Have not really done much today other than schoolwork, basically. And yeah, I've been chilling in the house majority of the day. Haven't really eaten much either. So I'm about to do this workout and consider possibly going to Trader Joe's to buy some food. I don't really have any food that I want to eat here. So yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. y'all, so I am done with my workout and I am drinking my juice, about to take my vitamins. Also, as y'all can see, the sun is literally setting, so you can just see how late it is in the day. It's about, I think it's about 7 o'clock, possibly, I think. And yeah, I'm about to go to the grocery store. I'm just letting my edges set. This lighting nice though. This lighting is nice, if I do say so myself. Got my skin glowing. So I'm sitting in the car right now trying to decide what I wanted to make, and that's probably why I'm getting bumps, because I keep wanting to touch my face. Like, what's wrong with you, Samantha? I'm gonna go on Walmart's website and see what they got. Maybe I do want to make like some type of burger or something. What am I in the mood for? Shoot, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Ooh, y'all remember this? This John, okay, when I was in undergrad, y'all, we used to tear up some Zatarans. I used to go to this place called Piggly Wiggly's. Bruh, this was my almost everyday meal. Junk was busting. Can't eat that junk now no more. Y'all, I think I'm not even about to do all this. I think I'm about to just go to Chick-fil-A and get a salad. I feel like I'm doing too much. Or go to Chick-fil-A and get a grilled sandwich. Because I don't know what I'm in the mood for, and I'm wasting time. That's what I'm about to do. We about to go to Chick-fil-A, because who goes to the grocery store when you don't know what you about to get at the grocery store? Genuinely. Oh, you waiting on me, boo? Smart choice. I don't understand. All right, hey y'all. So today is Tuesday. It is I don't know what time it is. About like 4 o'clock ish. I woke up early. Oh golly. It's like I should have slicked this down. They'll be alright. I woke up early this morning at like 8, almost 9. Worked out, went walking, came back, and started doing some schoolwork. Took a nap, and now I am up. Me and my classmates, we're about to go to this taco spot and go eat some. It's not even lunch. It's, I don't know what to call it, lunch, dinner, whatever. So we about to head out over there, y'all. Oh, and what I'm wearing today is this oversized t-shirt with this is that something on my skirt? Whatever. With this blue skirt, and then I am putting on some sandals, these clear sandals that I have, and yeah, that's it. I'm about to put some lotion on and put some perfume on, and we're about to head out. Yeah, I think that was in Las Vegas. Should be out. All right, so we are now leaving the what am I doing all that? We are now leaving the restaurant. This girl don't know how to drive. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Jit don't know how to get out the parking lot. I ain't never seen something like this before. All right, hey y'all. So it has been, oh snap. It has been a while since I talked to y'all. Very much so, long time. I could say probably a few days. Today is Saturday, actually. Yeah, today's Saturday. So a week worth of class and working, but I am actually about to head out with my classmates. We are about to head out to this place called Chicago Pizza. It's near my job, so I was like, ooh, we gotta try it. So I put on just this shirt with my skirt and trying to figure out what shoes I'm gonna wear. Probably my colorful sandals. It has been raining today, so hopefully it's not raining while we get over there, because that's gonna be really annoying. But yeah, so I just put my hair in this long ponytail. Y'all saw the twist ponytail that I had. I took it out of the twist and made it fluffy, and I put it at the bottom. I actually have to fix it because it looks like it's falling out. So yeah, I'll probably catch up with y'all when I actually get there. They probably got some more.
No, they don't.
I don't even see what they waiting on. Oh, they waiting on.
I don't know. I don't see it.
They possibly waiting for that little Cadillac right there.
Oh yeah, probably.
Watch that Cadillac not even leave. Watch them be. They the ones parking.
I'm one of them.
Oh, you'll wait. Or you? Oh no, yeah, you are. Cause you annoying like that. I hate that junk. And that's a.
Just be sitting there.
That's a. Oh, right now.
Oh, it's not handicapped. Oh no, that's not handicapped.
Oh, that's a go a whole bunch right here.
Yeah.
There go one right here. Unless.
Oh,
Oh, that's so ghetto. Prohibition liquor. I guess you gotta be going to the liquor spot to.
damn. That's for prohibition. And then motherfucker got that spot. Dang.
Prohibition, one of their little 4 little parking spots. Oh my goodness.
They don't want nobody parking at that spot.
Never right there. The storage spot.
I wish I still had the
Oh, you don't have it no more?
Oh, this ain't in storage no more. Oh, that's next door. Never mind.
Y'all wanna say hi? Here go Reagan, and there goes Brandy. Y'all, it took us about 20 minutes to find a parking spot. We didn't know where to go.
Question mark. Is Brandy going to work?
That's a no.
That's the question.
Oh, I'm going to work.
Oh, you going? You gonna put personal time
That's
in?
the question of the night.
I don't know.
You should put personal time in. Show up a little late.
Well, yeah, you have a treat. I want to use it all you got.
Yeah. When your 2 weeks start?
Oh, yeah, then you about to be 2 weeks out.
Next Friday? Come on, girl. I see them.
He's trying to get hit.
I see them. They see me. They got yeah, and then you know what? I got evidence.
We ain't supposed to be walking.
They be alright.
Girl, what you want?
Wow.
Always. You set it 30 minutes.
Oh. Y'all don't know which way I'm going. Next year. No. Spring quarter is
April through.
yeah.
Yeah.
April through June.
Okay, we got. Okay.
Y'all, food was cool. We got leftovers. Am I wrong for this?
Yeah, this first quarter. So yeah, we got past 13.
I had to take this. They didn't give me
So
little
these
to-go
classes
boxes.
be online.
Alright, so back home, and maybe I should stand someplace else. I'm always standing right there. So I am back home, and dinner was pretty good. We went to this place called Chicago Pizza. Y'all don't mind that. I didn't even show them that. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of like water, toilet paper. I just be racked up just cause like everything be in this room, bro. But those are my clean sheets that I am about to put on the bed. And yeah, my bed's not made right now. But yeah, so put all these disclaimers in so people don't just think anything. But yeah, so just got home, and place was pretty delicious. I'd say it's about like a, at first I was saying it's like a 7 out of 10, but all honesty, it's probably like a 5 out of 10. The food is pretty decent, but I've had better. Atmosphere is pretty good. They had music. It looked like you could do a lot, like hookah, drinks, the whole 9. So yeah. Y'all, first thing I did when I got home, took out this little ponytail, the long ponytail that I had. I ain't gonna lie, weave really does make you feel bald-headed, cause look at this little bun. Oh, whatever. But yeah, so my hair actually isn't dry because I literally did my hair right before I went out, so my ponytail isn't dry. So I am going to add just a little bit more gel for definition, and I can't even see. I'm gonna add a little bit more gel to it for definition, and tomorrow when it's dried, it should be, you know, in this normal curly state. So when I put the ponytail in, my hair just blends in with it. It's not no problem. But yeah, rest of tonight I'm going to be spending fixing up my bed, probably watching some YouTube, and yeah, so I think that is probably going to be it for this vlog. This is probably going to be my first time actually ending a vlog, because I usually never end it. But yeah, so I hope you guys have an amazing week. God bless you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.